Welcome! In this video, we're diving into the world of WordPress. So, what exactly is WordPress? And why is it one of the most popular platforms for creating websites? WordPress is a powerful, open-source content management system, or CMS for short. It started in 2003 as a simple platform for bloggers. But over the years, it's evolved into a tool that powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. Yes, you heard that right. Now, you might be wondering, what makes WordPress so special? Well, first of all, it's free to use. That's right. You don't need to pay anything to get started with WordPress itself. You'll just need a domain name and hosting, which we'll cover later in this series. Another big reason WordPress is so popular is because it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to know any coding to create and customize your site. It offers thousands of themes and plugins that make customizing easy, even for beginners. But here's something that can be a little confusing. There are actually two versions of WordPress: WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is a hosted platform, meaning it's a bit more limited in what you can do, but they handle hosting and maintenance. WordPress.org, on the other hand, is the self-hosted version, which gives you complete control over your website, but you'll need your own hosting. So, why should you choose WordPress for your website? There are a few key benefits. 1. Flexibility. You can create nearly any kind of website. 2. Scalability. It can grow with your business, handling both small blogs and large e-commerce sites. 3. Community support. Because WordPress is so popular, you'll find tons of resources, forums, and tutorials to help you along the way. And that's the basics of what WordPress is. To sum it up, WordPress is a powerful, flexible platform that's beginner-friendly, but also packed with features for more advanced users. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll explore the history and evolution of WordPress, how it started, and the journey it's taken to become the platform we know today. Let's keep building your WordPress knowledge together.